link your partner on Flow app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to link your partner in your Flow app. So first of all you have to do is just open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Flow, and after that just download the application in your device and just install the application right away. And once you install the application in your device, just click on open and open that in your mobile device. And once you're there, just simply log into your account. And if you don't have an account, just sign up for creating your account. And once you have created your personal account, all you have to do in order to link your partner in your Flow app, you need to click on the partner section at the bottom right side of the mobile screen. Just simply tap on partner. And over here, you will be able to see the send pairing code. So basically, in order to link your partner to your Flow app, you need to make sure that your partner has downloaded the Flow application in their mobile device as well. And as soon as they download the application, they will have to add a partner code or in their mobile device as soon as they try to log into their account. So you just have to simply provide this particular code to your partner, and they will have to mention it there in their application while installing the app and creating their account. And once they enter this particular code, both of your account will be connected together. So this is basically how you will be able to link your partner on your Flow app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.